Good morning friends, I am Ashish Agarwal from Team NGO Enabler, and today I will discuss on a very unique, interesting and relevant topic in the context of NGOs, that is characteristic of effective financial reporting. For increased transparency and accountability in the eyes of the stakeholders, it is now very essential that strong reporting mechanisms are in place. So here I am to discuss with you what needs to be kept in mind while preparing your financial reports, may it be for any donor, beneficiary, employees or any other stakeholders. So let's begin. First and foremost is understandable. Financial reporting should be expressed in a simple, clear and precise form so that financial reports can be understood by those who may not have detailed knowledge of accounting principles. All relevant information should not only be covered in the financial reports but also relatable and meaningful to the relevant stakeholders who are going through the same. Next comes reliable. The information presented in financial reports should be verifiable, unbiased and should have been prepared based on authentic source of documents. This also implies that nothing significant or material should be left out from the information, and the reports give a true and fair view based on the underlying events and conditions. Reliability is affected by the amount of estimation in the measurement process and by uncertainties inherent in the item being measured. To this end, financial reporting may need to include narrative explanations via note about the underlying accounting assumptions and accounting policies followed. Third in the list comes relevant. Relevancy implies that there is a close logical connection between the information provided in financial reporting and its purpose. So, any information shall be considered as relevant if it enables its users, that is stakeholders, in decision-making process or providing useful updates or analysis. Next comes timely reporting. Of course, meeting timelines are very important. If the financial reports are to be useful or make any impact, they must be issued soon enough after the reported events. Timeliness in some circumstances may be so essential that it may be worth sacrificing some degree of precision or detail in the information presented, which can be added later in the form of addendum or annexures. Another important characteristic of financial reports is that they should be of consistent in nature. The frequency and format in which the financial reports are presented should be consistent. Once an accounting principle or reporting method is adopted, usually the same is followed for all similar transactions and events. Even as per Accounting Standard 1, consistency is one of the basic accounting principles which should be followed by the organizations. Consistency should thus be applied to all the areas of financial reporting, including method of valuation, adoption of policies, basis of accounting followed, and the determination of the financial reporting entity. At last comes comparable. Financial reporting should facilitate comparisons of costs of specific functions or components of revenue from previous year reports or the budgeted figures in order to take various decisions in the best interest of the organization. Comparable figures are nothing but variance analysis of the revenue and expenses which provide clarity to the management on the areas to improve upon. However, consistent accounting policies and valuation methods shall be key if comparison needs to be a fair one. So friends, while preparing any financial reports for your organization, remember these basic characteristics discussed today. Also, there might be more such requirements that financial reports might have to fulfill, but importantly, what we have discussed should be sufficient in itself in order to make the reports more effective, useful, transparent and meaningful for each stakeholder. For more such tutorials and updates, keep tuned to our channel and don't forget to subscribe it if you have not done it yet. Contact us for any queries through mail or put it in comments section. Thank you.